Live?
You're live.
We're live at the Jackass weather station here. Bourbon, yeah. There's much windage going on. The MPHs are like blowing. And look at this. We can make snow angels in forest snow. And half of it's in my garage. I got an accusation of forest snow. Minnie, I let her out a while ago. I ain't seen her in a while.
She blew away.
She blew away, I think. She knows her way home.
She's with Dorothy.
She'll be back. She knows her way home.
She went to Oz.
Yeah, she went to go see the Wiz. But I gotta take a whiz in a little bit here myself. That house there got shingles blowed the hell off. That house got shingles blowed the hell off. I have a piece of siding in the back that was blowing off. I fixed it. A couple minutes later, I heard. Hey, what the heck is this? What's up, Dave? So it's all fucked up still. Screw it. Jay's chair's all blown all over the fucking place. It's fucking windage. It's snowing and shit and windage. It's bad.
Is it cold?
It is cold.
It's cold.
I woke up, it was 57. 2 hours later, it was snowing. Look, there's accusation right here. Look. Accusation.
Accusation?
Yeah.
What do you think the children of the corn are doing right now?
They're fucking freezing their nuts off.
Their corn cobs off.
They're getting bloated all over the place. Good, the children need a good blowjob once in a while, too. You know? Fucked up little motherfuckers trying to eat me and shit. Beating on the side of the fucking cart. Let me in! No! Go away! We're not here for that. We're trying to find where the fucking hot sauce is. Yeah, this morning wasn't pretty. It wasn't terrible. It wasn't terrible.
Were you shitting? You were shitting colon rockets.
It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it wasn't no good either. Whew. Survived that.
Johnny Cash lyrics all over that bathroom.
Ring of Fire is right, mofo. I farted earlier. I was like, oh shit, I feel like a dragon breathing fire up my ass.
El Diablo, El Diablo.
Yeah, no cease. Or, yes. He's sticking my ass in the fucking toilet water and shit. I need some tucks. Fuck that. What did they say? Put the toilet paper in the fucking
In the freezer.
I should have did that. But anyway, yeah, we survived that. But yeah, there's damage. We got trees and shit going. Dogs missing somewhere. She'll come back eventually. I think.
You gonna try to make a snow angel in that forest snow?
If my knee wasn't all fucked up, I would. I think Joey should this time. Or Kool-Aid should this time. Oh,
And now we got a for sale sign flapping in the wind.
Yeah. It sounds like a dong. What is that? The fucking.
A gong.
Yeah. A dong, 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 dong. I like a dong.
There goes some dude's beer can.
That ain't my beer can. I keep mine in the garage where they belong. With me. Yeah, so. Ooh, there's branches over here. We got free flares. Branch right there.
Squirrel.
Yeah. Damn it.
All right, it's cold as balls out here.
All right, I tried to save the. Look, we got forest fires going on, or forest accusation. All right, y'all be safe. I hope your roofs are still on your house.
He called it forest snow.
We had accusation of it too.